Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Do It With Us. This is not just a channel for watching videos, it is a place where you can learn to solve your problems yourself. On this channel, I share simple and practical step-by-step tutorials. These include topics such as installing apps on iPhone or Android, fixing Windows errors, downloading software, and solving everyday tech issues. Each tutorial is explained in a very easy way so that anyone can understand and follow without confusion. Here is how the videos are created. First, I write a clear and easy script to make sure every step is simple to understand. Then I add AI generated voiceovers to guide you through each step smoothly. After that, I edit the video using CapCut. Here you can see my recent projects. In CapCut, I arrange clips, edit text, and completing the videos. Sometimes I also appear on camera to make the content more personal and engaging. The main goal of this channel is to help you solve your tech problems quickly and easily. Many people are already taking benefit from these videos and you can see their feedback in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who may need it. Subscribe to Do It With Us for more quick tutorial. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.